Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are creating this related post design using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the previous video, I showed you how to design this using HTML and CSS. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add JavaScript so that all this data that we see over here will be fetched from a JavaScript array. So let's get started. Right here I'm in the source code, and here we have this JavaScript file, and here I have already created this array of objects where we have details about the posts. So here we can see in each of these objects we have the title, the link and the thumbnail. So those are the details that we need over here, and we have 5 of these posts over here. So you can go ahead and create any number of posts over here. Now if you go to the HTML file, here we can see that all the post details are written over here in the HTML. So here we can see we are adding the image for the thumbnail. We are also writing the title over here. Now what we will do is we'll just comment all this code over here. So you can just press command / and all this code will be commented. If you're using Windows, you can just press control /. But now if you go back to our website, here we can see that none of the posts are displayed over here. Now let's go ahead and write some JavaScript to display the posts over here. So let's go to the main.js file. And the first thing we will do is we will reference the container division, which is this division with the class of related posts. So let's type const related posts equals document.querySelector related posts. Now the next thing we will do is we'll create a function to generate all the related posts. So let's create a function with the name of generate related posts. And here I'll just call the function. Right now let's write the code for this function. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to display 3 of these posts randomly. So we have 5 posts over here. So for that, let's create a constant, and let's create an array called shuffled list. And let's set it equal to all posts, which is this array right here. Now to sort all the items inside the array randomly, we will use the function called sort inside JavaScript. And here we will use a callback function, and we'll just pass 2 variables over here. And here let's type 0.5 minus math.random. So this is basically a simple trick to randomize all the items inside the array. And the next thing we need to do is we need to display just 3 of the items inside the array. So for that we will use the slice method. So let's type slice, and I'll just type 0, 3. So what this will do is it will randomize all the items inside the array first, and then it will just store the first 3 items inside the array to this shuffled list. So let's go ahead and see whether it is working. So let's type shuffled list dot for each, and for each of the individual post I'll just call it post, and let's create an arrow function. Let's go ahead and console.log the title so that we know everything is working all right. So let's type post.title. So here we can see we have this property of title inside this object. So now let's see whether we are getting 3 random posts from this array. So let's go back to our website and let's open the console. And now we can see we have these 3 posts. So let's refresh this page, and now we can see we have a different list. So every time we are getting different random 3 posts over here. So we know that it is working all right. So now let's go back and let's display all the details into our web page. So first of all, we need to create the thumbnail. So here we have this anchor tag, and in that we have the thumbnail. So let's type const thumbnail link equals document.createElement, and let's create an anchor tag. And we need to set the href of the thumbnail link to post.link, which we have over here. Right now let's go ahead and create an img tag. So let's type const thumbnail equals document.createElement img, and here let's type thumbnail.src, and we'll set it equal to post.thumbnail, so which is this property right here. And now we need to add this image to this thumbnail link. So let's type thumbnail link dot append child, and here we'll just type thumbnail. Right now let's create the title. So for the title we need to have an anchor tag with the class of post title. So let's type const title equals document.createElement a, and let's type title.classList.add, and we need to add a class of post title, and then for the href of the title we need to type post.link, and then for the inner HTML let's type title.innerHTML equals post.title. Right now the next thing we need to do is we need to create a division with the class of related post, and in that we need to add the thumbnail and the title. So let's type const related post equals document.createElement div, and let's type related post dot classList.add, and we need to add a class of related post. Right now let's add the thumbnail, so let's type related post dot append child thumbnail link, and related post dot append child, and let's type title. Right now the last thing we need to do is we need to add this related post division to this container division which has a class of related posts. So we are referencing that over here. So let's type related posts dot append child related post. Right now let's go back to our website and let's see whether everything is working all right. So here we can see we have these 3 posts displayed over here. Let's refresh this page, and now we can see we have another 3 posts displayed over here. So every time we have these random posts displayed over here. So everything is working all right. So that's basically how you can add a related post design using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the next video I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.